Brooklyn New Wave Civic Coalition arranged a club meeting in Brooklyn, New York on Wednesday, April 18 to discuss the club performance, in which Steve Chan from 17th District, Marko Kepi from 23rd District for New York State Senate, and Sapiashvili running for New York State Assembly from District 47, while chairman of the Brooklyn Republican Party, Richie Barzamel, introduced them
Chairman.
and spoke
It's an honor to
exclusively
be here
with
with
the
you, sir.
Thank you so
Pakistani-American
much.
news
To my
channel.
left is Marko Kepi, candidate for New York State Senate, Steve Chan, candidate for New York State Senate, and David Sapiashvili, candidate for New York State Assembly. Excuse me. And I am the chairman of the Brooklyn Republican Party, which is a great honor. I am Richie Barzamian. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Kasser Mustafa from Pakistani-American news channel.
Yes, sir.
What do you say about the religion freedoms in the United States of America?
It is the most important thing. We are a nation that must always guarantee freedom. And the guarantee of freedom is that once you are here in America, whether you wish to go to a synagogue, a mosque, a temple, a church, wherever you want to worship on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, we are all Americans and we must protect each other. We must protect our freedoms, because the one thing that will make us succeed is when we all respect and allow each other to cooperate and respect our Lord in the way that we choose, and to protect our religious freedom. And that is a message to my Pakistani brothers and sisters, to my Muslim brothers and sisters, to my Christian brothers and sisters, and to all those who have a faith and a strong belief. We respect you. We are the Republican Party, and we want you to be with us. We are with you.
Thank you so much.